the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh, yes it will. Hey, said I go to my brother, and I say, brother, help me please, yeah, 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 yeah. But he winds up knocking me. He winds up knocking me right down on my knees. Now, there's been times when I thought I would last this long. Oh, Lord God, I know I'm able. Now I'm able to carry on. And it's been a long time coming, and I know a change is gonna come.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Elaine.
J-Lue, there's a lot of power in your offering. But what I really needed to feel from that, okay, so your life is a life of surviving. Your life is a life where you know are working on a change coming. And I felt like you needed to really connect to that more, to convey, because this is your life that you're singing about, right? You are overcoming and you're an overcomer, but I needed to feel you connect to that more deeply. And I thought you needed supporting vocals to really add to the goose pimple possibility of that performance. You have the capability of doing it, and I just think that there could have been more.
Anthony.
I thought the interpretation was a little heavy-handed. I think because of the nature of that song, there's a sort of sensitivity that was missing. I really can't say I liked it that much. The pitch of it, the pace of it, it didn't quite work for me. It didn't sort of come together. And it's a beautiful song, but I think you missed something there.
Conroy.
Yeah, you look good in what you're portraying, but and you were emoting and doing all the things that should be done, but there was a disconnect because it wasn't real. I mean, there's no connection with what the real meaning of the song is, and so we couldn't feel that from you. And for that kind of song, if we don't feel it, then it's not going to mean anything. Yeah?
All right. Thanks, judges.